You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy. In our last class, we were able to look for cost and selling price when percentage profit is given. In today's class, we shall be looking for the cost and selling price when percentage loss is given. Mike sold his car for $5,184 and lost 4%. This 4% is 4% of the cost price. Find the total cost price of the car. Find the total cost price of the car. Since he lost 4% and this was the selling price, we are going to equate it. So, our selling price is equal to 5,184. Then percentage loss is equal to 4%. Therefore, cost price will be equal to 100 over 100 minus 4 times selling price, which is equal to 100 all over 96 times 5184 over 1. So 96 here gives us 1. 96 gives us what? 54. So our final answer will be 100 times 54. This is simply written as what? 5,400 what? Dollar. That was the cost price of his car. So, maths, as I said, is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. See you in my next class. Bye.